To tackle insecurity for Naija, we go continue to borrow money. Presido Buhari, na him talk this one. Presido for Naija, Buhari don present the 2023 draft appropriation bill to the National Assembly on Friday for Abuja, and this one na him last budget for him administration. Sake on the budget presentation, Presido Buhari tok say sake of the insecurity matter wey Naija dey face and the deficit of 10.78 trillion naira wey be the total physical operations of the federal government, say to finance the deficit, Naija go borrow a total of 8.80 trillion naira, 206.18 billion naira from privatization proceeds and 1.77 trillion naira.
We expect total fiscal operations of the federal government to result in a deficit of 10.8 trillion naira, considering the need to continue to tackle the existential security challenges facing the country. We plan to finance the deficit mainly by new borrowings totaling 8.80 trillion naira, 206.18 billion naira from privatization proceeds, and 1.77 trillion naira drawdowns on bilateral, multilateral loans secured for specific development projects and programs.
President Buhari constantly tok say any law wey dey against the budget and the committees of the National Assembly still pass am, make dem stop am.
I would like to implore the leadership of the National Assembly to ensure that the budget I laid here today, which includes those of the government-owned enterprise, be returned to the presidency when passed. The current practice, where some committees of the National Assembly purport to pass budgets for government-owned enterprises, which are at variance with the budgets sanctioned by me, and communicate such directly to the MDAs, is against the rules and needs to stop, please.
Presido Buhari, wey chook mouth on top tertiary institution matter, constantly tok say the budget go provide 470 billion naira wey go be for reviving and enhancing their salary. E con tok say im administration dey committed to implement all agreements wey dem reach with staff union within their available resources, and im government no go sign any agreement wey dem no fit implement.
In the determined effort to resolve the issue, we have provided a total of 470 billion naira in the 2023 budget from our constrained resources for revitalization and salary enhancements in the tertiary institutions. The government remains committed to the implementation of agreements reached with staff union within available resources. This is why we have remained resolute that we will not sign any agreement that we would be unable to implement.
President Buhari constantly salute give members of the National Assembly for their efforts, zeal, and support to lift the socio-economic development of the country and to improve the lives of Naija people.
Mr. Senate President, Mr. Speaker, let me conclude my address today by again expressing my deep appreciation for your enormous support, patriotic zeal, and cooperation in our efforts to accelerate the socio-economic development of our country and improve the lives of our people.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC and be your power. No sell and give any politician on election day.